We're going to remove the brake line, and we're going to remove the ABS harness. And with an upholstery tool, we're going to go ahead, we're going to remove these clips here that retain the ABS harness. While you got this, we'll go ahead and remove this cover right here. And we'll take the brake caliper off. Go ahead and secure the caliper away from the rotor assembly. And with a 21mm wrench, disconnect the upper ball joint. I can take it down about this far, just enough that it's still holding it. And then use a hammer and hit against the spindle here to dislodge the ball joint from the spindle. You got slack in your harness, so it's going to hold tight. Next, you're going to take the tie rod nose. And once again, use a hammer to dislodge the tie rod. Now that all that's free, go ahead and take out your sway bar length, which is an 18mm. And then we'll unbolt the lower strut, which is a 27mm on one side, a 30mm on the other. And get that bolt out of your way, and we'll drop the suspension down. And you're going to go up top where you have three 15mm nuts that secure the strut to the brake. What I like to do is leave the front one in it just a little bit, stop it from falling down. Okay. And I take the back ones completely out. And remove the strut. Pick it up and just start that one. You want to leave it loose, okay, so that you can still be able to freely move this one. So now the old-fashioned way to do it. just pick up on it. So obviously make sure that sway bar link's in there. And put your nut on that bad boy. With an 18 millimeter, you go ahead and you tighten the sway bar link back down. With your 27 and your 30 millimeter, go ahead and tighten the lower strut. Go ahead and tighten these down. $15 millimeter on there. Go ahead and put your tie rod back in to the spindle. Another one there. Tighten that back up. Go ahead and push the spindle into place and pull the upper control arm down. And put that nut on. 21 millimeter, tighten that up. Tight, 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 good. Reinstall these clips here. Put that 8 millimeter back. Now we'll do the same with the caliper here. Put the rotor back on. Reinstall the brake line. Right there. Got it. And the brake line's 10 mil. And the ABS one. Check, make sure everything's good and tight. And you're done there. Alright, so this 18 millimeter wrench on the back end, and then a 15 millimeter socket with an impact. You always start with the bottom first, then it's easier to compress it when you have to put it in the top. There we go. Install your nut.